Good morning, traders. My first trade of the day is CSIQ. I'm taking it long right here. Got filled at 30.04. My stop on this trade is going to be probably right under this 20.90. And my profit target on the first half of my trade is going to be about that $30.40 level. As you can see, we had previous resistance right there. We did just get over the VWAP. Janet Yellen is due to speak today. She's the Fed chairman, if anybody doesn't know. And she is supposed to speak in the next few minutes, actually at 10 o'clock. So this will be my last trade that I put on until that speech is done and over with, as it's going to be too hard to anticipate the market and what kind of effect it's going to have on. Okay, we did just break over this $30.20 level. See if we can get over 30.30. Oh, come on. Just a little bit more. Alright, we're over 30.30. I'm fixing to sell at half right here. There we go. Got filled at 30.35. And I'm going to let my other 250 shares just work and see if we can get over that 30.50 area. If we get over 30.50, I'm probably going to look to take off another 150 shares around 30.60. As it is still early in the morning and this thing can start to reverse on me at any time, so I just want to lock in profit. Okay, there we go. I'm selling another 150 shares right here. Got filled at 30.59. And I have 100 shares left. I want to see if we can get a push up to that $31 level, though. I think it's quite a bit of a far reach from right here, as this candle is kind of putting in a little bit of a tail. You can see right there we have a little bit of a tail on it. We are pushing against 30.60. I'm probably gonna take off the other 100 shares, my last 100 shares, around 30.75 if I can get it, which will give me a nice 30-cent profit on this, or 70-cent profit on this trade. But I'm looking at the chart, it does look a little bit extended. I mean, we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row going up. So I anticipate this is going to have a pullback relatively soon. Now, we did just break over 30.60. There we go. A little bit more. I'm going to get ready to cover out the rest of my position. Right. Oh, come on. Just a little bit more. A few more cents. A few more. There we go. Okay, I'm going to cover out the rest of my position right here. Got filled at 30.72. Very nice. And my next trade is EXAS. I took it long, giving me an average buy price of $20.67. Right, I have 500 shares. I'm a bit uncomfortable with the size of this position because I'm looking at it, my stop's going to be under low of day around 2040, so that's quite far. So I'm going to look to cover out half of my position if I can, right over 2080. Just to minimize. There we go. Okay, I'm selling out half right here. I just wanted to, lower my risk in case the trade does end up going against me, because like I said, my stop is going to be right under that $20.40 level, right under low a day. But we are coming up against that $20.90 level, and I'm going to look to sell out another 150 shares, probably right over 2090, as we have resistance right overhead. Okay, I'm going to sell out another 150 shares right here. But I sold out another 150 shares right under this $21 level because you can see we have the 20 period moving average and we have the $21 hold number right above. Okay, so that's a significant area of resistance. Now, if we do get over 21, like we're testing right now, if we break over 21, then I anticipate that this is going to run 15 to 20 cents very easy right off the bat. But it's going to be quite difficult. A lot of buyers, I think, are going to have to step in and really give this a good shove. But we are pulling back just a little bit. I am going to keep my eye on the chart and on the level 2 and the tape, just to try to help anticipate where this where the price is going to go within the next few minutes. And if it looks like the chart is starting to put in a reversal pattern, then I'll probably go ahead and exit the trade at the absolute best price I can get. We are holding over this $20.90 level. Okay, we just dropped under it. 2089, 28. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to put in a reversal pattern. I'm gonna give it one more minute to see if we can get back up there towards 21. Okay, we're back above 2090. You can see all the buyers right here at 2090. Go. Okay, look at this 2092. You see the people are just buying and hitting the ask and hitting the ask at that 2092, and it's not moving it. It's not putting a dent in it. So that tells me there's a huge order, an iceberg order that you can't see on at 2092 that somebody's put on the market, and that tells me that it's probably going to start coming back down actually. So I'm going to look to go ahead and sell out the rest of my position right about here. Right, there we go. Got filled at 2095, pretty good. Wanted to share with you all my first trade of the day. I actually did not get this trade on video, but I wanted to explain how I managed this trade. I actually ended up taking a loss on this trade of $91 or a 20-cent loss. But you can see we bounced back up to $70 and it started to reverse back down. Well, when it reversed back down, I shorted it at 69.04. And I went in with almost a full position size of 400 shares. Well, I noticed a little bit later, you see that green candle right there? Okay, that's when the spread opened up to about 50 cents. Now when that happened, I knew that I should go ahead and exit the trade at the best price I could, which I ended up taking a 20-cent loss on, because I thought that this spread could open up even more and I would end up having to get out closer to $70. But luckily, I was able to get out of the trade at $69.25 for about a 20-cent loss or a $91 loss. And you can see my trades for the day. My first trade was ALKS. I took it short at 69.04, 400 shares, and I ended up covering out at a 69.27 for a $91 loss. Then my second trade was CSIQ. Longed at 30.04, 500 shares for a $228 gain. And then there was EXAS, average cost $20.67 for a $104 profit, giving me a total of $240 profit on the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.